So I made it to the car park in the snow, and then trying to get in, this happens. So I'm just digging myself out. Just gotta get in there, come on. Oh mama. Alright guys, didn't have time for an intro. I had to leave quite sharpish because it started to snow and I wanted to get up here. Shaun Claude has made it most of the way. The road is now shut because there's so much snow on here. A gritter just came past and I had to turn around because it was just too dangerous for them to head down. Keep digging. Okay, I've dug it all out. I've helped 2 people to get in, helped another 2 stranded people. Now or never, I feel, to try and get up there. Let's do it. We have success! Yeah! I love this flipping van! Made it! We made it! Time to go to bed, eat some food, wake up to the views. Morning guys, it's about 10 to 7 in the morning. It was -3 all night. I slept like an absolute baby, straight through, just woke up. Wasn't cold, just made myself a coffee. So I'm going to have my coffee and then I'm going to get up, get dressed and go and watch the sunrise. See if we can get some good shots. Okay, well I haven't looked outside yet today. This is my first view, so let's have a look. That is the best way to start any day. Well, I'm just heading back to the van now. Go and have another coffee, have some porridge. Turn back, everyone. Not today. Just set up my fire. Well, got a nice little setup here now. So we're up here, we've got these leftover van insulation makeshift sleds. This is Aaron. We're about to hit this slope down into there. I simply sit on it like this, have it behind my back, to get that fresh powder. Well guys, I've gotten into fresh, clean, dry clothes because my clothes got soaked sledding. That's the end now, it's time to go home. Look at the views. Amazing, and Shaun Claude did a great job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.